You gotta digest the music. Hi everybody! You guys were so prompt and cute today. Everybody on time! Everybody on time. I have to get a... let's get a duck. Beefing with my chick while I'm in jail! Beefing with my chick while I'm in jail! Okay, so every 5 seconds, Mango... Beefing with my chick while I'm in jail! I think it's a little loud, guys. I wish there was a way to not include the clicks. With my chick while I'm... Shut the fuck up! Hey! I don't like that. I don't like that, Waller. Let's go, let's go, let's go! This is... And then this is... Can you stop? I like how I make them and then I'm immediately like, can you shut the fuck up? What sports do you play? Lifetimes, look. This. Did you hear that? Did you hear the line? Get it? Cause he's a bear. He's from the picnic basket.
Hey boo boo, let's see what we got in this picnic basket.
Hey boo boo! Hey boo boo! Hey boo boo! Stop yelling at me.
I am going to have sex with you.
Tony the Tiger? The VTuber?
I am going to have sex with you.
It's him! It's him in the flesh! I think this is accurate. It's a panda bear. Oh, yeah? Hey, can you fucking be quiet? I'm trying to listen to the 500 cigarettes right now.
500 cigarettes.
I am going to have sex.
Whoa, what the?
Have sex with you.
What the fuck?
I am going to.
Where did he go?
Cold experience.
Spin! It sounds like spin. Me for a sec, I gotta blow my nose.
A few moments later.
Thank you for waiting. Great. Good thing you guys couldn't hear me blow my nose.
Go golfing.
Thanks. So here's what we do. 6, 7. I'm gonna listen.
Did you try the medicine drug? Did you try the medicine?
Oh fuck!
Did you try the medicine drug?
Oh shit!
Did you try the medicine?
I too am in this episode.
Your stick's not even touching the ground. Your stick's not even in the ground, man.
It's here every Sunday in Edinburgh. I feel so zen right now. This is overstimulating? Well, yeah. That's an understatement, I would think so. That's what we call an understatement, honey.
Not even touching the ground.
I'm gonna put him in the middle.
Not even touching the ground. Beefing with my chick while I'm in jail. Not even touching the ground. Beefing with my chick while I'm in jail. Try to take a part. Beefing with my chick while I'm in jail. Beefing with my chick while I'm in jail.
It's so quiet. It's so calm right now. I can't play this game anymore. I can't play this game anymore. How do I quit this? It's over. I beat the game. I beat the game. Oh, shit. So quiet. Can you feel it? Can you feel? Is it in? Is it in? Can you feel it? This is a good game. I rate that a good game.